Tanawa ang molecular forces. This is the distance r from one molecule. Okay? Distance of the molecules. Okay. If you plot the energy, this is the energy. What is the potential? The potential energy, this is actually the plot of that. Nganong naani siya ani? Nato ginatawag ani nga minimum maximum. In fact, makalculate nato diri ang critical radius. Ani na siya. Now, this is an extremum of the function, right? Nganong extremum man siya? Well, meaning, if I'm going to plot in the same axis, sa derivative ani, at exactly this point, asa ang derivative niya? Di ba dire? 0? Tama? Right? Right? Okay. And it is decreasing padulong dire. Paana siya dire and then somehow muana siya no muana dito. This is now the force. Now what happens? Tanawa ang force dire. This is the minimum, right? Tanawa ang force dire. The force here is negative. Tama? The force here is positive. Naisa ka molecule dire at the origin. Somewhere here. Dire. Okay? Mao ni ang ginatawag actually nga critical, it's a kuan. Tanawa ang mahitabo. Pag naa dire ang isa ka particle, unsay mahitabo? Is it attractive or repulsive? Well, the force is negative, so it's going there. So ibig sabihin kani siya, kaning molecule dire, muadto didto, right? Pag cross niya dire unsay mahitabo? Unsay force, di ba diri positive? So asa siya padulong? Ana. So it will actually swing back and forth. It is an harmonic. In fact, if you take the Taylor, how do you calculate the Taylor series? And for approximation. For a Taylor series, if you take approximation sa ana, you will have now that approximately for a small ana dire, on a potential well, you can estimate the small part dire as a harmonic oscillator, x squared. Now, ano may tabo? Depende na sa energy sa system nimo. If the energy of your system is at this level, if the energy of your system is at this level, asa na siya mo-oscillate dire? If you lower the energy, asa siya mo-oscillate dire? Ang vibration. Now, how do you lower and how do you change the energy of the system? E is equal to some constant times temperature, di ba? Temperature is the sole, not sole source of energy, the sole determinant of the energy of the system, tama? It's ano. So, ang energy is, if you lower the temperature, it will vibrate in smaller spaces. But if you increase the temperature, the vibration would be mudagko. Pag mudako siya unsay mahitabo, that's why mo expand ang matter pag mo saka ang temperature. Now, tanaw mahitabo dire. If naa siya dire, pag abot dire, tungod kay potential well man mo balik pud na siya didto, no? There's a potential well here. Now what happens if naa dire ang particle? If it has an energy like this. Pag moabot siya dire, wala na mo block sa iyaha. These are no gases. That's why gases are modeled as unbound, wala sila na ano. And here, layo ang yang kuan na, almost right? The liquid state. So, mao na siya. Okay? Sabtanan ninyo ron.